Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are solving examples on AAA, SSS and SAS criteria of similar triangles. We have seen few examples. Now in this video let us see few more examples. The first example is in the figure. Triangle DCO is similar triangle AOB if angle ODC is 70 degrees and angle COB is 125 degrees. Find the measures of angle DOC, angle DCO and that of angle OAB. So this is the figure. In this figure these two triangles are similar. Angle D is 70 degree, angle BOC or COB is 125 degrees. We are asked to find the measure of angle O, angle C and angle A. Now we know that the sum of the pair of linear angles is 180 degrees. Therefore angle DOC this angle plus angle COB this angle, the sum total of these two angles is 180 degrees. Angle DOC plus COB is 125 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle DOC is equal to 180. Shift 125 towards right side, you will get minus 125, and if you subtract 125 from 180 you will be going to get 55 degrees. So hence the measure of angle DOC is 55 degrees. Call this as number 1. Now angle DCO in this triangle, in triangle if two angles are known, the measure of two angles are known, then measure of third angle can be easily found out by subtracting the sum total of two angles from 180 degrees. So in this way the measure of angle DOC is equal to DCO is equal to 180 degrees minus into bracket angle D plus angle DOC, angle D plus angle DOC. So 180 degrees minus angle D is 70 degree plus DOC just we got 55 degrees. 180 degrees minus 70 plus 55 will be 125, and if you subtract 125 from 180 degrees you will be again getting the same value, that is 55 degrees. So the measure of angle DCO is 55 degrees. Call this as number 2. Now angle DCO, this angle and angle OAB, these two angles are pair of alternate angles. Okay, and you know alternate angles are equal, so therefore angle DCO is equal to angle OAB because they are equal, because they are alternate angles, and at the same time the value or the measure of DCO is 55 degrees. Hence angle OAB is also equals to 55 degrees. Call this as number 3. So in this way the measure of all these three angles in this particular example is 55 degrees each. Now coming to the next example, in the figure triangle ABC and triangle AMP are right angle triangles, right angles at B and M respectively. Prove that number 1 triangle ABC is similar triangle AMP, and number 2 CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. So this is the figure. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle being right angle at point B, vertex B. Triangle AMP is also a right angle triangle being right angle at vertex M. Okay, and we are asked to prove these two triangles are similar, and at the same time the ratio of CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Now in these two triangles let us solve the example. In triangles ABC and AMP, angle B is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degrees. It is given angle B is 90 degree and angle M of triangle AMP is also 90 degrees. Okay, and angle A is common to both the triangles. Angle A is common. Hence, by AAA criterion, triangle ABC must be similar to triangle AMP. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Also, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Though this is the solution for today's second example. So my dear students, let us solve one more example. The example here is a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the foot of a lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. This is the example. Now going through the example, you have to draw the figure. See, this is lamp post, okay, and this is part of the ground. Now lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, means the height of the lamp post is 3.6 meters. The girl is walking away from the foot of the lamp post with a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So 1.2 multiplied by, so we are asked to find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. That means you have to multiply 1.2 by 4, and if you multiply 1.2 by 4, 12 4s are 48, means 4.8 meters will be the answer. Now here somewhere that girl is standing directly onto the ground. Now the height of the girl is 90 centimeter. Then you join to get two triangles. Name the triangles ABE and CD. So in this way, ABE is one triangle and CDE is another triangle. We are asked to find the length of the shadow of that girl, means we are asked to find the length of DE. Put a question mark here and let us assume it as X. Okay, now we have two triangles. By taking these two triangles, let us prove that the two triangles are similar triangles, either by AAA or by SSS or by SAS similarity criteria. Now write, in triangles ABE and ACDE and CDE, in these two triangles, since now angle B and angle D are equal because they are 90 degrees, because the lamp post and the girl are standing directly onto the ground. So angle B of triangle ABE must be equal to angle D of triangle CDE. They are equal because they are of 90 degrees. Okay, now for both the triangles, angle E is common. ABE, in triangle ABE, angle E is there, and at the same time in triangle CDE, that vertex E is also there. So it means that the angle formed at vertex E is common. So write, angle E is common. Okay, so if two angles are equal, then the pair of third angle must also be equal. So hence triangle ABE is similar triangle CDE, okay, by AAA criteria. Okay, by AAA criteria, these two triangles are similar. If triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So hence AB upon CD must be equal to BE upon DE. Now let us put up the values. AB 3.6 6 upon CD. CD is 90 centimeter it is. If you convert it to in meters, it will be 0.9 meters. 90 centimeters is nothing but 0.9 meters is equal to B is sum total of BD and DE. BD is 4.8 and DE is X, means I have to write here 4.8 plus X divided by, and we assume DE as X, write X in place of DE. Now by taking cross multiplication, before taking cross multiplication, let us solve here. 9 ones are 9 fours are. So now take cross multiplication. 4 into X is equal to 4.8 plus X. Okay, bring X this side. 4X minus X is equal to 4.8. Now 3X is equal to 4.8. So X is equal to 4.8 upon 3. Now divide 4.8 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 6s are 18. So the answer or the value of X is 1.6, and X we assumed for the length of DE, that is the length of the shadow of that girl. So hence length of the shadow is equal to 1.6 meters. This is the solution for this particular example. So dear students, in this way about 8 to 9 examples we have solved related to the three criterion AAA, SSS and SAS. Now from next video we shall be shifting on to the next part of the topic triangles. We shall see the next very important theorem and the problems involving that particular theorem. Thank you.